1991 Lincoln Town Car, I guess. We're gonna old start it or whatever. I don't know how the hood goes open. I'd like to buy this car, but I don't know if I will be able to.
Let's check the oil, even though we never do.
It's over on this side here. Has this thing been overheated how many times you said, or something?
It overheated it on me on my way to Minnesota.
Yeah, so we'll see if it starts here. The transmissions are going out on it, first and second gear. There's the big V8 4.6 in there. I'm sure it has like over 200,000 miles because it says 54,000.
How much you want to bet there's no oil in it?
I don't hurt it. It's good for it.
Let's pour some ether down there. Yeah, it's got some.
Yeah, it's
Good enough.
Good enough. Battery don't look good. The ends, they look kind of.
It's funny because coolant went all over the battery.
Yeah, it's all over the alternator. It makes it run good.
Started.
Yeah, go ahead. And should I film underneath with the exhaust underneath there? I'll just go underneath here. Oh, they're back here. Just 1 second. All right, go ahead. Smells rich. Sure sounds good. Airbag suspension's on. Kind of got beat up a little bit, but nice little farm car maybe, huh? Man, that thing's quiet. Sure sounds good. There's no brake fluid in there. That's funny. Brake fluid's in.
You don't need no brakes.
Should probably move it out of the way here while we're at it. Because it's sitting in the middle of the street. Like where I parked it. Huh? I can't hear you. Oh, how's it going? Here.
Who taught you how to pedal that bike?
Oh, there was a snowbank. Is it gonna back up? Hey, it's a nice interior in here too. It's all smashed.
Yeah, Joe is.
Hey. Can't put that on there. I'll have to edit that out now. Hey, it dries good.
Got
What?
brakes and everything, no brakes.
Sure sounds good. Can't see why I can't have this car.
What's in there? Oh, they put coolant in it.
Yeah, you can put coolant in it. A nice airbag here if it's smashed. Don't floor it too much. I thought you said it usually stalls.
It stalls if you go on a long trip, and then once you get to town, it'll stall.
Huh.
Like after going so fast for so long, and then you slow down, it'll stall.
Huh.
I don't know. It always does.
Might as well shut it off. Sure good car though.